gentlemen of the jury, welcome back. Who is the foreperson? Thank you. Has the jury reached a verdict?
Yes, Your Honor.
And is it a unanimous verdict?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. Will you please hand it to the bailiff? The clerk will now read the verdict form.
State of Utah versus Meggan Sundwall, Count 1, aggravated murder. We, the jury, unanimously find the defendant, Meggan Sundwall, is guilty of manslaughter. Count 2, obstruction of justice. We, the jury, unanimously find the defendant, Meggan Sundwall, is guilty of obstruction of justice. We, the jury, unanimously agree the prosecution has proved the following act or acts beyond a reasonable doubt. Defendant altered, destroyed, concealed, or removed any item or thing, namely deleted text messages between the defendant and Casey Terry. We, the jurors impaneled in the above case, find the defendant, Meggan Sundwall, guilty beyond a reasonable doubt of obstruction of justice as charged in Count 2 of the information. Unanimously find beyond a reasonable doubt the defendant obstructed the investigation of the following criminal offense, manslaughter. Dated the 24th of March 2026, signed the jury foreperson.
Does either counsel wish to poll the jury?
Not from the state.
No, Your Honor. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, your service is now done. As I've stated before, we appreciate your attention and efforts in this matter. We know the time that this has taken out of your lives, and we appreciate your service. You are now, counsel, any objection to discharging this jury?
None, Your Honor.
Not from the state.
All right, you're now going to be excused. You are free to talk about this case with anybody you want. You're also free to not talk about this case if anybody has questions for you. But you are no longer under the admonition. Thank you for being here. Please be seated. Counsel, based upon the verdict, I'm going to refer this to the Utah County Office of Adult Probation and Parole for preparation of a pre-sentence report. We need to get a sentencing date to come back.
I might guess that we need a special setting.
Where are we looking, Brooke? That would work. What about the morning of May 4th? 8:30.
That would work for the state.
Sorry, Your Honor. Having calendar troubles. That looks like it would work for the defense, Your Honor.
May 4th at 8:30, we will come back for sentencing. Ms. Sundwall, someone from Adult Probation and Parole will be meeting with you to prepare a pre-sentence report and recommendation. Counsel, anything else we need to cover before we adjourn?
Not from the state.
No, Your Honor.
All right, counsel, I want to thank you once again, all of you, for the professionalism that you've exhibited throughout this process. It's a tough process, and it's it's not easy, and it's about as serious as it gets. And I just want to thank you all for your help in this. All right. We'll be adjourned. Thank you all.
All right.